Hi, my friend Will here, and welcome to my Forex day trading watch list for Tuesday, the 21st of October 2025. So, today's video, we're just going to go over some of my trade ideas for the day ahead. And as a reminder, to get access to these setups absolutely free, join the free Telegram group in the description area of this video. So, let's get into it. First one we're going to look at is the EURUSD. Now today I'm looking to want to be buying this around the 116 area. So as you see on the daily charts here, that we just want to look for some support. And as we see down here, I've had a bit of support here in the past, and that's what I'm looking at. And we also have another support level down here from last week's lows. Next, I want to zoom into the 4-hour chart and just want to draw my fib level here. And like I said, this is where I'm looking to get in around this area here, 116 area. Normally the price will pierce down. It broke through the 50 fib line of this retracement up from last week. We've went through the 50 level. We're now heading down to the 61 level. So in and around 116 is where I'll be looking to buy the EURUSD today. Stop loss will be 30 pip stop loss around just under these lows here. This one here around 115.7. Telegram group, I do post live updates. We actually just did a quick scalp trade on EURUSD there now. So what you want to look for price action wise when you're looking at this time frame is we have this indicator down here is the MACD. I don't like to look at the volume on it. I just look at the crossovers and divergence. So what you want to see here in a 5-minute chart down towards the 116 support level is this price action here. You want to get a initial drop down through, small reaction followed by another drop either to a new low or, sorry, not a new low, but here or a new low, and then a rally like this. So this would be confirmed on a MACD divergence. So you'd want to see price moving down towards a new low, the MACD moving up and crossing over. So that's what you want to look for. Can I show you an example of this now on the 5-minute chart? So this was a setup we just took in the group there now. And we had the price pop down. This level here, we had MACD moving up, price moving down, cross back down. And we had this clear divergence here. We entered on the cross over the MACD with MACD divergence. This setup here, that's what you're looking for on that. Do another one. EURJPY. So we'll look at the EURJPY. Okay, it's dropping heavy now, but what I was looking at on this, we had the election result, well, the PM vote today in Japan. And basically what I'm looking to do on this setup here is we've got the resistance here. Was wanting the price move up, maybe move just slightly above the 176.500 to 176.6, and then look to sell in around that area. Same price action, same setup you want to be seeing on the lower time frames at these levels is, again, coming to the upside. Is you want to see something like this, pierces up through, initial reaction, maybe a new high like this, and then boom. This is a divergent signal, and you'd want to see this on the MACD. Okay, that's what you want to look for. Want to look at this British pound, Swiss franc. Okay, this is trending down. We're looking to nearly hit the entry there. We're looking to buy that at 106. If we look at the daily chart, this pair is grinding down, like all the Swiss franc pairs. We have support here. The price closed back up above that last Thursday, heading back down towards it today, and that's basically the trade that I'm looking to play today on the British pound Swiss franc, just at this support. If we look at 4-hour chart, sorry. Okay, we are getting divergence here. So what I'd love to see here, this is for a long-term play, is for the MACD to start crossing, move back up, look to cross over on this kind of divergence here. Today, again, the only reason I'm playing this is, let's have a look to see if this kind of setup did work out. Okay, so I would expect this to maybe move down again. So this could be the start of the divergence. Okay, price moves down. So we have this move up, moves down like this, and then crosses back up as it moves down towards 106. That's what I'll be looking for on this pair. Another trade idea, British pound Kiwi. I'm looking to sell this at 224.7. And as you can see, it looks like it is topping out. We are looking like we're about to get a cross down on the daily. Sorry, it's a 5-minute chart, sorry. So we'll look at the daily. So it's crossed back up last week. We had a new high printed last week at 235. We have daily trend there. We have an upper trend line there. What I suspect it will move down towards this lower trend line. So to get in on that move, similar to the Euro Kiwi yesterday, is we want to be drawn fib, and we have the 61 at 234.5. I kind of expected to maybe pop up above that, spike up towards Friday's high here. Sorry, this was Friday's high. Yeah, up towards 234.7. Similar type of price action on that time frame. Lower time frame, 5-minute chart, as it comes up to the 234.7 area. You can see on the 4-hour chart, it's had a lot of resistance here in the past. So I want to see a spike up to this area, lower time frames, 5-minute chart. Prices moves up, hits that level, pops up, boom, with a divergence cross happening here. So it's a kind of similar setup I look for on every trade. Now, when I do these setups, this is what I'm kind of visualizing at these kind of levels. These are good levels. Normally 7-8 times out of 10 you get this price action without even having to look at it. That's why I do these setups like this. So that is some of my favorite trade setups for today, Tuesday the 21st of October. To access the full list and live updates in the Telegram group, click the link below. You can also access my 5-minute scalping system, absolutely free, in the description area. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I shall see you tomorrow on another Forex day trading watch list.